Welcome, what's poppin'? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing I don't know what you must call it, ombre skin. It's a whole lot going on, so let's just jump on into this video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add some foil gel to my tips. So I'll be doing a double tip today. I haven't done this in a long while, so today is the day that I'll be doing it. So I'll add this foil gel to each of these nails except for the pinky, and I'll cure for that 60 seconds. So after the gel is cured, I will then go in with the foil and add it to the tip of these nails. So you don't have to be super perfect with this part because at the end of the day they're going to be covered by acrylic, so you don't have to be perfect at all. So now I'll be going in with purplish red. So this color here threw me right off because based off the color when it was dry, it went well with the foil. And when I applied it to the nail, it gave me something else, which was kind of frustrating because you wasn't expecting this. But I thought, okay, let me just follow through just to see where it could possibly get me. So I did it and I got pretty results. Thank God that I did not stop the process. So I'll be adding 2 beads of the purplish red on each of these nails, and for the pinky finger I'll be doing the straight acrylic on it. So now I'll be taking that dark nude. This is like the last phase of doing the ombre. So I'll be going in at the apex area, overlapping that purplish red and pulling that product down very gently, because that's how you get a nice smooth fade. But I don't know what was going on for this video. I don't know what was going on for this finger. So I'll be going in at the cuticle area, pulling that product down, and I'll be touching up here and there. I actually did not like how this fade turned out, so I went in with an extra ball, adding it just below the apex area, pulling that product upward and also in the downward motion to get that nice looking fade. But what I realized after is that they did not look smooth to me, and I tend to like to go in with the glitter colors last because it just looks better. So after I did this to all of the fingers, I will then go in with the purplish red again. I did this off camera, and then the colors weren't looking very blended to me. The whole purplish red was just throwing me off, so I went in with my chunky glitters, my purplish chunky glitters, and it just set the tone for these nails. It was a bomb.com, and after that I will show you guys just me encapsulating one of the nails. I did not show you because it was a repetitive motion. I already was showing you a repetitive motion already, so, to begin with. So yeah, so I add the chunky glitters to the nail, encapsulate, and then I'll come back, show you guys how I blinged out the nail. This is the most exciting part of this video because I rarely bling out my nails. I was ready to bling out my nails. So yeah. nails were looking bomb.com. I loved everything of it. I did not file on camera, which I was happy about because it would have taken me a long time to edit this video. So I'll be going in with my top coat, doing a very thick heavy top coat because I want to ensure that these crystals or these stones will, you know, be on my nails forever. So I'll be going in with some large stones on the nails. I barely work with these stones because to begin, let's just say that using the smaller stones is not even to perfection. So let me tell you, these stones were a heck of a thing to work with. I was on these for some time. I mean, it was so time consuming. This took at least the greater length of this video. So I kind of had to speed it up. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will bring you out the middle finger and the ring finger. It sounds as if I don't remember where my fingers are. I literally have to be out here, be shaking my hands to kind of remember, you know, what nail is what. So what finger is what finger. So I'll bling out the rest of the nails, top coat, do the blinging on the ring and also on the middle finger, and that's it. The nails were so good looking. I was in love. I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my social medias, TikTok and Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. And I'll see you guys in the next video.